Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how old are the pyramids in Egypt step by step. Follow along as we break the topic into clear steps: construction phases, dating techniques, and archaeological clues. I will guide you through pottery, mortar, and architectural comparisons that give age estimates. Listen for simple examples and how experts weigh evidence, so you can judge claims and understand why many estimates converge on similar ages. We start with dating methods and how they apply to pyramids. Radiocarbon dating samples organic material from mortar or debris to provide age ranges. Stratigraphy examines layers of construction and nearby occupation to build a relative timeline. Typology compares pottery, tools, and inscriptions to known sequences, helping refine dates and link the pyramids to cultural phases and builders. Quick recommendation before we continue: if you like this video, please subscribe and like, it really helps. On another note, The Simple Path to Wealth is a concise book that can change how you think about money and long-term planning, which pairs well with thinking in long timelines like pyramid ages. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Next, we review the evidence that supports age estimates for the pyramids. Architectural progression and construction techniques show evolving methods over time. Inscriptions and administrative records tie monuments to rulers and major projects, providing contextual anchors. Material science on mortar, stone sourcing, and tool marks complements historical data, creating a multi-line argument used by archaeologists to estimate how long ago these structures were built.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.